So this is the track at Falling Springs. It's a one-way track the way it's made because it has a jump that's a wall over there. I am by no means a racer, so this is just for kicks and giggles, just to see what's up with it. But you know, we're just trying to check it out. Okay, so trying to change my battery because this battery's not working right. Like I said, we're sitting here in Falling Springs Park, I believe it is, in Versailles, Kentucky. There's the Arma Senton brushless, the BLX 4x4.
Here, I want to show where I painted it pink. I'm not done with that. Just right here.
Yeah. So it's not really pink, babe. What happened? Why is it not super pink?
Because it wasn't the right kind of paint.
Was it a watercolor paint, babe?
It said permanent, but it's okay.
She used the watercolor paint, gang.
And when I get, it said permanent. So when I get this all cleaned up, I'm gonna do it again and make all of this pink. And it actually looks really good with the blue.
4x4, brushless powered. It's a pretty nice vehicle, to be honest with you. It's like 320 bucks, and it's super beefy, like super beefy. Running 3S LiPo, so it's pretty cool. Mine is a HPI Blitz Flux. It was their short course truck from a few years or so ago, about 3 or 4 years, maybe 5. Brushless power. Both of these are capable of speeds 45 to 50 miles per hour, depending upon the gear. They're pretty cool. Like I said, hers is it's 4-wheel drive. Mine's only 2-wheel drive. Hers is considerably beefier than mine. And right now, mine is being silly. It's not working. And it'll probably be okay, but it's not doing what I needed to do. So I'm done for the day, personally.
Well, you can use mine.
So
Mine.
Turning mine off. So this was on 50%, cranking it to 100, and I'm gonna go up top. So we're gonna see what we can see, if we can see anything. I've got that off kilter. Thank heaven for 4-wheel drive. So I want to go back around and get another run at this. Oh, well, that sucks. So let's just say that this is not as easy as it looks. Would you like to get it, or you want me to get it?
Sure, I'll get it.
Let's see what it does. So this thing is definitely all about the throttle control. Oh, wow. It was drifting that corner. So here's where the fun part really comes into effect. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Can we do it? Yeah, definitely ain't winning no speed laps on this thing. Not because of the vehicle, but because of the driver. The driver sucks. This little thing could run. Oh my gosh, it can run. Literally just flipped it again. Now I gotta go get it. I gotta retrieve it. Sorry?
It's yours?
No, it's not. That's why I didn't touch it.
Oh.
It's a razor blade.
Great. Hopefully no one was murdered with it.
Oh, wow. Guess we gotta take it with us now.
You probably should.
Yep. She just touched the razor blade, gang. We don't know if somebody was killed with that razor blade. Now we gotta take it with us so that there's no fingerprints on it. We gotta bury it in the ground and melt it with acid. You know, I think I know what happened with mine. I think it probably got too hot, and that's why it's did a shut off. I'm the corner guy.
This is so hard.
There you go. Yeah. She's an all or nothing kind of gal, you know? I'm not trying to put my hands on it.
Well, I'm not going to be accused of anything.
We're getting ready to end this right here before she destroys her vehicle. So for the Trav and Debbie show, this is Trav.
And this is Debbie.
And we're out.